So this is the Thunderbeast Bipod, which Picatinny mount. It's got a very solid rotational lockup. So while it was loose earlier in the class, I tightened it up and it stayed where I put it.
Okay.
But you can still move it if you give it a lot of force on it.
And you got some different positions for the legs there?
So the legs adjust almost 90 degrees by default.
Yep.
There's no 45-degree position unless you use this other control on the inside, which goes to the other detent if you want it to.
Okay.
And so you really have to be deliberate if you want that to happen.
It's not going to fold up on accident.
No.
Yeah.
The legs are typical notch spring deploy, and then you can pull them in if you need to, which is really easy on the bipod on the ground.
Okay.
Because you just use the weight of the.
I'm going to throw it on the rack and see what she looks like.
Absolutely.
Somebody's fucking gone. Yeah, the one at
Look at that.
the top.
And it's got a nice tensioner for the cant. Yeah, that's nice and smooth. Pretty solid too, huh?
It is.
Yeah.
And there's not too much slop in it either. I was able to put
Okay.
more than the Harris, but less.
That's pretty cool.
It didn't feel rickety at all. It felt like
That nice and solid, a bit more stiff than the Harris, I suppose. Thanks,
pay more than
budget.
that. It's about $400.
Okay.